It's my pleasure to welcome you to this particular interesting topic on 1688. Sometimes we run into a trouble when we want to access our 1688 or we want to access our Taobao or idle fish. We find it difficult to access our profile. Sometimes you may even have product on transit and you may need to talk to some supplier, but as a result of your account being frozen, you find it difficult to access the account. This is because your Taobao has been frozen, and the only reason why the account is being frozen is only known by Taobao or Alipay. Nobody understand why account will just got freeze anytime. So if you fall into these victims and then you want to freeze your account, you want to have access to your 1688 or your Taobao account or your idlefish account. This is because all this account was linked with only one Taobao username and Alipay. Okay. Now, for you to let me show you a sample of what I mean if your account is froze. By the time you click on here to, when you click on here, you are accessing your profile. You are going to have this thing like this. Now, you have two options to log in into your 1688. The first option here is Alipay. The second option here is using your Taobao username and your Taobao password. Okay. Now, let's take a look at the first option, which is Alipay. So if I click on Alipay this way, automatically it's supposed to link direct to 1688. So you're going to ask question, then if I click on login, so automatically this account is supposed to log in direct into the 1688 profile. But let's wait and see. Take a look at what I see here. Your account is at risk. So by the time you translate this, you will notice that this account has been froze. Okay. So this is the first option. The second option is to use your Taobao member name and password. So for you to do that, you just have to click on 1688. Okay. So if I click on 1688, they will ask me to enter my Taobao username and Taobao password. Okay. So you can see we have the same issue. The account has been froze by Taobao or Alipay. Now, if you have these two issues, you use your 1688 login, you use your Alipay to log in, you are denied. You use your 1688 login, you are denied. So I have a solution for this, which I believe is going to help to retrieve this account back so that you continue to purchase whatever you want to purchase from 1688 or Taobao or idlefish or any account that has association with Taobao username and password. So for us to solve this problem, I think the first thing we need to do is to go to our Alipay. So I'm going to click on my Alipay right away. So once you open up your Alipay, next thing you need to do is to make sure you go to me right here. Then it takes you right here. So next thing you need to do is to click on Customer Center. So we need it this way. Okay. Once you get to this point, the next thing you need to do is to make sure you swipe. You can swipe to this way. Okay. Oh, sorry. You have to swipe this way. So you see more information. So we just have to tap this way. So you can see hard bank card. That's not what we need right here. Okay. So we can swipe again. Now we have other issues. So other issues section, that's where we need to work on. Now you can see under the other issue section, we have your Taobao account has been froze right here. Okay. So that is what we need to click. So once you click your Taobao account has been froze, it's going to open up a new page. So it takes you right here. Now, these are the instructions of what you will need to do. If your account cannot log into your Taobao account, take the following step. Step 1, if it indicates incorrect username or password, If you forgot your username, or you may click on the login with Alipay account at the upper left corner, which is what we have done in the past. You may open the account on your own via text message or via email. So you may open the so right here, if it indicates there is risk with your account, you may open the account on your own via text message or via name verification according to the tips on the page. For other questions, you can contact the customer service of Taobao. Now, this is exactly what relates to our issue right here. The account has been, there is a risk with your account, stuff like that. That is what the information at the beginning of this message is trying to telling us. So what we need to do right now is to make sure we click on Taobao customer service. So we have to click on that. So when you click on Taobao customer service, you're going to have something like this. Okay, so never mind. So what you need to do here is to just tap to go back. So you tap to go back, it takes you right here. So this is where the main thing is going on. Now, at this point here, the first thing is that you have to click on here to choose your country code. Okay, so you have to click on here and make sure you choose your country code. If your country code is not here, it simply means that your country is not using Alipay service or Taobao service. So your country code must be here before you can solve this particular problem. So just like what you see, my country code is already here, which is 234. So right here, so this is my country code and it has been active. So I have to choose on that. Next thing I have to do is to enter my account, my phone number. You can use your Alipay phone number to retrieve this account back. So you have to enter it. You have to omit the first digit of your account number, or you type it the way your account number is. Once you enter your Taobao account number, the next thing you need to do is to come to the next paragraph. So right here, you have to tap on here to request for a verification code. So once you click on OK, you have to click on here. So next thing you need to do right here is to make sure you tap here and okay. Once you tap on that, you will be asked to swipe this particular button here and to swipe this way. So you have to do that for a security check. So once you swipe, then you will be waiting for verification code that will be sent to your account number. So you can see it started counting. So you have to receive the code before this number counts finished.